Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I am Anna from Edu4U. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the Health and Social Care course. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. The Health and Social Care course could be your gateway to a fulfilling career. The best part: no high school diploma is required to apply. You can begin this exciting journey with just your CV. Wondering where you can pursue this course? Look no further than the prestigious London Metropolitan University, with campuses in London, Manchester, and Birmingham. Choose the location that suits you best and embark on your educational adventure. Now, let's talk about what you'll be learning. The course covers a wide range of topics, including introduction to effective practice in health and social care, issues in health, illness and society, and mental health and well-being. These modules will equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to excel in your career. What's next after completing the course? The career opportunities in health and social care are diverse and rewarding. You can work in hospitals, care homes, social services, and more. Your degree will open doors to a world of possibilities. You may be wondering about the financial aspects. With a maintenance loan and part-time work, you can earn up to £15,000 per year. You can use this money for private expenses. The tuition fee loan is £9,250 per year. It covers all 4 years of study. Let's talk about coursework. You'll engage in various forms of assessment, including presentations, portfolios, and even podcasts. It's a dynamic and engaging learning experience. You can choose from full-time, blended learning options, including daytime or evening and weekend classes to fit your schedule. The Health and Social Care course begins in November, April, and July. Without a foundation year, it's a 3-year program, and with a foundation year, it's a 4-year journey. You can tailor it to your needs. How it's working? If you are interested, contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we will send your application online and finally start studying. Remember that our help is free. This would be a great place for a visual or a chart to explain your point. Finally, why is it worth it? The Health and Social Care course does not only prepares you for a rewarding career, but also empowers you to make a positive impact on society. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.